Okay, mic test. Test. Can you hear me? Yeah, perfect. So let's just close this. Wow. First day of streaming and it's super slow. God damn it. God, this computer is slow. Okay. I need to set some stuff up. Okay, fine. Bruh. Damn it. The first day. Always difficult. Yeah, good. Let's do some settings. Never. Yes. Let's hope this works. Perfect. No, 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 no. Am I audible though? I should be. Settings, autofill, off. Perfect. Let's begin. Am I audible enough? Yeah, this should be good. Oh, okay. Yeah, so let's start. Yeah, CKA. And we also have our Kubernetes docs open. Let's do this. CKA. We'll start with these 30 scenarios. Am I not audible? Okay, this is very close, but yeah, this is good enough. Yeah. Yeah, let's start with the first one. Okay. With 2 cluster nodes. Enjoy. Let's increase the font. Let's max it out. I hope I'm audible enough. Oh, I don't know. Okay, this is first day. We'll figure it out. Okay, start. The playground Kubernetes. The playground will always have the same version as currently in the Linux Foundation exam. Okay, let's go to scenarios. List API resources. In this scenario, okay, same thing. Okay, going to list all resources and say the output of file name resources.csv. Okay, get r minus a resources csv. Oh yeah, we should have this open. CSV anywhere? No. Okay, I guess you just have to name it like that. Is that what they're looking for? Ooh, that's different. Okay, API resources. What does this do? Unsupported. Okay. Do we have that? API. Yes. For a complete list of supported resources. Oh, okay. This way. Okay. Linux system services. Let's check that out. And this, okay. Again, zoom in. Yeah, this should be visible enough. There's the services on your Linux operating system that are associated with Kubernetes. Services. List all services. No. Let's see. Okay. System state here. Oh, if I click here, it just okay. So system state here. I don't think this would be files minus type service all. Oh. Grab cube. Oh, there's just one service running. Okay. We're here to learn. So let's see. This is the status of the kubelet service running on the node and output the result to a file named kubelet status, saving the file in the temp directory. Okay. So we know we can get status by using systemctl status kubelet dot service. This is it, and we have to save it to the temp directory and call it this. Let's read it. Kubelet. We have this. Okay, and if we check the solution, yeah, that is what it is. So you don't always require sudo to get the status, as we saw here. Okay, create a pod declaratively. And this, okay. Oh my god, can I not set this? Yep. Using kubectl, create a YAML file for a pod named pod. Okay. Run pod. It uses image engine. Save the YAML file as chap1 pod YAML. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I can have that ready. And so to get that we do try run equals client. So what the hell? Oh, okay. You also need to output it. Yep. Here we have it. Run parliament. Okay, we have to create it also. Okay, apply minus f chat. List all Kubernetes services. Using the Kubernetes CLI tool, list all the services created in your Kubernetes server. Across all namespaces, save. Okay. KCAT services service. You can use minus minus. Yeah, minus minus all namespaces. And you get all the services, or there's a short form which you can do, which is minus a, and you have to save it to this one. So, yeah, SVC is also a short form. I use service because it's easier to tab. Tab means autocomplete, so yeah, I use autocomplete here. Let's go to the next one. List bar in this okay. Using the kubectl CLI tool, get the output of the pods running in the kube system namespace and show the pod IP addresses. Save the output of the command to a file. Get the output of the pods running in the kube system. Okay. Okay. Get pods minus m to give the namespace. Get the output of the pods running. Show the pod IP addresses. So I guess to show IP addresses you have to do white. Yeah, and you have to save this output to this text file. There we go. Get pods minus or wide. Yep. Yeah, we're 10% done. Use the CLI tool that will allow you to view the client certificate that the kubelet uses to authenticate to output the row. Okay, so the certificates are saved in the config. The kubelet uses to authenticate. View. Let's see what can we do with config. View. We have flags. That's the question again. Authenticate to the Kubernetes API client certificate. Is this it? What else do we have? Current context. Delete cluster. Delete context. User rename. Set. On set. I think it is view. Oh my god, why do you run it? Okay, let's check out. Okay, config view. Okay. etc kubelet.config. And here we have the client certificate. It is a certificate. Yeah. What does this do? Oh, it just. Okay. Yeah. You can move on to the next one. Create a role and role binding. You'll be practicing creating roles and role bindings for users and service accounts. Create a new role named as a creator that will allow creating service accounts in the default namespace. Let's check out how to do this. Creating service account in default. So I think the verb. What should the verb be? Let's try. Something. We have the name. Kubectl. Create role. What are the allowed verbs? Okay, yeah. API verbs. So we want to create here. That allow creating service accounts. So resource, yeah. Is there resource? In a default namespace. So can I get a good namespace? service account. Okay, so just like they've mentioned, pods is good give service account. Resource. Service. Service accounts. Yeah. Readable pod. Okay, that's a resource name. Okay, resource. Okay, let's just try this. Okay, describe role essay creator. How do I give a resource? Oh, maybe, yeah. I could give that too. Resource. Come on. Okay, you can hear me. Oh, wow, I'm back. But my keyboard isn't. Come on. Perfect. Wake, man, wake. Working here. Please work here. Perfect. Namespace. Dot default. Delete essay creator. And let's try this. Those are group default. Does this work? Oh, perfect. Let's see what we have here. Is this what you're looking for? Create from essay creator, verb create, resource, essay. Short for service account. So in the default namespace means create the role essay creator in the default namespace. So you write it the first in the beginning when we did this. Okay, get role. Yeah. Create a new role binding called essay creator binding. Okay. Create role binding that will bind essay creator role and apply to a user named Sandra in the default namespace. Let's see if we have a user first. Okay, get users. No. Okay, fine. I don't know how to create a user for now, so let's just create this. Let's see, where did I find essay creator? So create role binding. Yeah, let's just copy this. Create role binding. Name cluster role user. Okay, cluster role and user is what I can give. Okay, nice. Cluster role essay. User is Sandra. In the default name, verify that you can create service accounts with Sandra. User using auth. Can I? What is auth? Can I? Oh, Control F auth. Okay. 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 Auth. Can I get But how do I check it from that user? Am I Sandra? Check to see if can I as okay. Can I as system user. Okay. System user. Yeah, that's how I can try user Sandra. Create essay. Sandra, check. Come on, keyboard. I'll have to try to find a solution to this. My mouse is working, but my keyboard isn't. Yeah. We're back. You can I help? -H. I think it requires that equal to sign. Okay. I check. Can I get Okay, let's see the solution. Can I? Sandra. Oh, that's the person. You can specify two arguments swap or okay, can I? Sandra. I think ask comes later. Can I? Oh, I have to give namespace also. We have a essay creator. Okay, get role bindings. Yes, Sandra. That's a creator binding, yeah. Get role dot role binding. Okay, get role dot role binding. This is outdated. So we have this. Come on. Okay, art. Can I create? Come on. Essay. Default. Sandra. No R class role as a created not found. I don't know. Did I not quit? Yeah, that's what we did, right? Work create resource source account. Okay, describe role essay creator. Name, resources, verbs. Failed to create role binding already exists. Okay, delete role binding. Creator, create again, created. Okay, describe role binding. There's only one. Here's a Sandra. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Auth. Can I create essay as Sandra? Yes. And default. Oh, why is it working? What were we doing wrong then? Oh, okay. Create a service account named dev. Okay. Create essay dev. Create a role binding that will bind the view cluster role. Okay. Get cluster roles. View. Okay. Okay. Create role binding. Ooh. Create a role binding that will bind the view cluster role. Minus role view. Service account. Dev and the default namespaces. Oh, my bad. What do we call it? Dev creator. Let's see, what did we call that one? Binding. Then we call it dev view binding. Must be source account. Default dev. Okay. Kubernetes gives some nice errors. Verify. Okay. Can I can view pods? View pods. View is not on. Oh, my bad. Get pods. As whoa. Why is it showing this? Dev service account. as dev. Yeah. Okay, art can I get path in the following space as default.dev. No. Okay, this. Come on, man. Binding. Okay. Role bindings. Dev. Is it list? What are the verbs? Get list of bad watch. Watch? Can I at least watch? Okay. Role essay creator, right? What did I do now? Role view. Source account. Dev. So no. Can't even get right. Let's see. Create essay. Dev. Create role binding. Dev. View. Binding cluster role equals view. That's what we did, right? Uh-oh. Oh god. Did we lose everything? Okay, get role bindings. Oh god, okay. Okay, we know how to do this. Create role. Okay, create role. I see, create that will allow verb. So it's going to create resources essay in the default namespace. Yep. And create a role binding. Okay, create role binding. That will bind role essay creator. And user Sandra. Verify. Okay, art. Can I create essay? Sandra. Yes, perfect. Next, create a service account. Okay, create essay dev. Create role binding that will bind the view cluster role. Okay, create role binding that create cluster cluster role as view service account in the default namespace. Name dev view binding default. Yeah, verify that the dev service account can view. Okay, can I add default dev get paths? No. But if I do that, okay, delete dev minus and default, and then we do this. Still no. Is that different? Great. Is that system says account default? Oh my god. That is how you have to do it. Okay. Classroom upgrade and create new user. Oh. Didn't we have 70 plus questions? Oh, 30 plus. So return with 30%. Again, we get a good. Create a new cluster role named. Come on. Why would you do that? Okay. Create cluster role, and that can. Create cluster role. Verb resource. Verb create resource deployments. Comma replica set comma tensor. Okay, describe cluster role acne. Okay. Web create deploy. Okay. Bind the cluster role to service account secure SA, making sure the secure SA service account can only create the assigned resources with the default namespace, and now it has verified that the service account can only create in the default namespace. Okay. So we have some namespaces. Nice. Is that even visible? This should be better. 150. Wow. I realized that after 10 questions. But it's my first time streaming. Why am I not speaking like normally? I don't know. Yeah, this is loud. I guess I'm just soft spoken. Bind the cluster role to the service account. CKA, okay. Okay. Get essay. Okay, we have that. Okay. Create cluster role binding. Come on, man. Name cluster role user. Okay. Cluster role. Assign resources. Okay. Yeah, there is a service account option. Come on then. Okay, because it's expecting a name. Cluster role. To give it a name. Okay. Verify that the service account can only create deployment. Okay. On can I as where's the service account one? Oh yeah. Can I as service default what was the security create deployments? Yes. In namespace. Okay, get yes, so that is not right. Let's see what this one can do. Cluster, role binding, acme in the default namespace. So if I try to create this, how is that allowed? Oh my god, that default namespace thing is so confusing. So you're saying I can't get anything. This. I need to read more about service accounts. How long has it been? Where can I see how long I have been live for? Looking forward to more pod related questions. Pods and nodes rather than admins. But yeah, this is the CKA Kubernetes admin exam, so yeah. Anyway, this was my first day. I'll check out my own stream tonight and see if I need to make any changes. Oh, yeah. See you tomorrow.